Hello, my project is about volcano if it's gonna erupt. This has a huge, if the volcano erupted, it would have a huge effect on a Taranaki's economy, like dairying. So this project can help people to evacuate safely and soundly, and it can save animals as well. It would have huge benefits and savings for Taranaki. So this project uses pickaxe like sensors like earthquake that measures the shakes in the ground, and tilt that measures volcano activity underground like lava rising. So the project plan is that we would have an early volcano alarm systems indications of possible Mount Taranaki activity. So we decided to have earthquake and tilt. Yeah. So this thing here is detected is like a little weight. When that shakes, that goes to the piezo sensor, and then that creates a little pickaxe, or creates a little voltage. Then it goes to the pickaxe, it reads it, then it puts it out to here, that signals it out to node 8, and then that is how powerful the light. The smaller the earthquake it is, the shorter it will go, or the less powerful, but the more powerful it is, the light will blink brighter. And this is called the earthquake sensor. So this detects movement in the ground. This sensor is called tilt. It detects the magma going up to the volcano vent, and it sent the sensor's called YouTube. So if a little bit like so this is how it works a little. So now the tilt is 12, and now have a look on the tilt now. So when it changes, it's 14 already. So just a little bit of tilt already not. It's pretty sensitive, the sensor, to tilt. Done. The earthquake task is to detect movements in the ground. For if there's a short row of or short earthquakes, that could be a sign of volcanic activity. The earthquake sensors are good because they're cheap to make, and a lot of people like GeoNet have heaps of sensors for them. So the plan is that when that shakes a little bit, that makes the piezo sensor gets it, and then gets it to the microcontroller, then it puts it, and then it signals it to this receiver. Yeah. This is my receiver. This gets all the data from the tilt and the earthquake sensor. So this long antenna, that gets all the data, so that comes into the chip, the pickaxe chip there, and then it puts it like a text message on this LCD screen here. And this is the little alarm here for if there's any volcano activity, like an earthquake, if there's a high earthquake or a tilt change. Okay. So now we will see if this earthquake sensor works. So I'll shake it real little. So it already detected a real small amount. And that alarm that tells you that there's an earthquake and how powerful it is. Hello. This is an open mesh wireless router that puts data onto the internet. So this is where the data is coming from, a serial port that brings it into here and that puts it onto the computer. And then this, and you can, where there is internet connection, you can check the data. So wherever there's internet connection, you can check it there. This is the great thing about this project, is that you can check it anywhere where there's internet connection. So this and this is where the data is coming from. It is coming from the tilt and the earthquake.